Okay, we're doing gingerbread houses. Wait, yours is made?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, mine's not made. You want to switch? You want to make yours?
Yeah, I want to make mine.
Oh, yay, okay. So, I thought we'd just have a casual video. See who makes the better gingerbread house.
Yours is already made.
Who decorates it better. I got these, like, I thought they were pre-made, but I guess not all of them are.
I don't know anything this is.
You're gonna literally break it.
Oh, you have to break it off. Oh, mine's way cooler than yours. It's way better.
But yeah, I got these from Joann's. And we're just gonna see who can decorate better. And I thought maybe I could ask you some questions.
Okay, ask away.
Oh, and Brinley's gonna be chilling here.
Let's see. So it doesn't give instructions, you just have to like figure
There's
it out.
literally no instructions. Did you look?
No, there's none.
Well, it shouldn't be that hard. This.
It says it should be pre-made. Like
No,
yours.
no, this is pre-baked.
Oh, pre-baked.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay.
Oh, wait. This is my box. This is the box.
Oh, yeah, that's a village. Interesting. Cool.
Do you need to look at it?
Let me see. Yeah, I need to look at it. Definitely.
Have you ever made a gingerbread house?
Yeah, I have actually once, or maybe twice.
Your mom?
Yeah.
The girl?
With my mom.
With a girlfriend?
So many gingerbread houses.
I think I'm gonna make. Are you sure you're supposed to break?
Yeah.
That's not. Okay. So somebody commented on my video the other day a question that I thought was actually interesting. Someone said you and Jesse should do a video on what it's like after birth and what he thought about the whole thing, please.
So you're asking me
What was life like after Brinley was born, and did you think it'd be like that? Do you think it'd be harder, easier? Like, what was your experience?
I had no way of anticipating what life was going to be like. I think people give you a ton of advice, but she was born and it was super stressful, but it was also like we had these instincts for the first time, and it was actually not as bad as I thought. It was super hard, but it wasn't that bad.
I thought you had a hard time.
I had a hard time like right after she was born in the hospital.
Really?
Yeah.
Because we weren't at home?
Yeah.
You really did not like not being at home.
I don't know why, but I was just so kind of. Hold on. I was just so stressed about the whole thing, and nurses were coming in the room every 20 seconds. Had to sleep on this little couch.
For you?
Yeah, it sucked for me. I wonder what it was like for you. It looked like they were taking care of you pretty good.
Yeah, my vagina was feeling great.
Yeah. Crying.
Oh my gosh, what is this?
No, that's definitely looked like the worst thing of all time for you. Didn't you like the birth though? Like the whole birthing experience once you had
Yeah.
what's it called?
What's what called?
Your pain. What was it?
Contraction?
No, the pain.
Oh, epidural.
Epidural. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what this is. I don't know. I liked pushing, even though it's not like it felt good. It's not what I mean when I say I like it, but the experience.
Am I doing this wrong?
I don't know. I mean, like get it up there.
There we go.
Yeah, I don't know. I liked the experience.
It's supposed to go.
What are you doing?
What?
Huh?
You just worry about your own.
I haven't even started. You like some more? I don't know. I liked it because it was a really good bonding experience for you and me.
Yeah, it was.
Like it was the best experience I've ever had. For best
Yeah, it's a
consistency.
very spiritual experience for sure.
Need pouch for using. I just have a feeling that this Christmas will be my best one yet.
Definitely think so, yeah. And I also am excited for next year's Christmas because she'll be like, Brindley will be a little older and she knows Santa. She'll know what Santa is and she'll believe in him, and I believe in Santa Claus, so I believe he's real. Santa's bringing us a Roomba vacuum for Christmas.
Don't tell me.
I
You have
know
no stuff.
Santa.
You look like you have cocaine.
I did cocaine, are you kidding? Why wouldn't I?
You're not supposed to tell me. That's the thing that you always do.
Yeah, but it's not from me, it's from Santa.
No, but I don't want. No.
Honey, you don't believe in Santa, and
No.
that's what's disrespectful.
You're never supposed to know what Santa brings.
I know.
Well, don't tell me. Santa's
Well-
bringing you stuff that you don't know.
Oh my gosh, you don't know Santa.
Honey,
No, you don't.
don't tell me what Santa's bringing.
I just told you
No,
earlier.
don't tell me. You're supposed to say, oh, maybe I'll get it. I have a feeling my sisters will comment on this video and say that it's boring. Okay. So I thought of a fun topic of once you got married, did your friends act different?
I broke it. Dang it. Did they act different?
Did you lose friends? Did you gain friends?
I've noticed since we've been married that my circle or spending time with friends has gone down a lot. And
What should we blame that on you?
yeah, it's definitely your fault. Or it's hers. It's probably her fault more than anything. I don't know what to do.
I don't know, just make something.
I just have to abandon this house. I don't know, yeah, they did. They acted different toward me, but they wanted to act the same. They wanted me to, like, be the same person with them, the same single guy, but I kind of just slowly changed and realized that I'm not going to live the same lifestyle anymore that they live. They make fun of me sometimes. You're so married, Jesse. You're so married. It's like, yeah, I am married. You know?
That's
It's
not a bad
actually true.
thing.
It's like a good joke. Married.
I feel like once we got married, well, really, once we started dating, I felt like that all my friends were away.
Yeah, I mean, that's
And
kind
I also
of...
had a lot of guy friends.
Yeah, we said goodbye to those guys. Actually, they saw me and they were scared, so they started just running as fast as they
What are
could.
you talking about?
When they saw me,
When did they see you?
whenever they did,
You're
ever in their
just
life,
making up a story?
they saw pictures of me and they got scared of me, so they deleted your number immediately because they knew that I'd be there. What are you doing? You want to be the main actor? You want to be the main character?
Mine's looking like
Yours is already made. That's so not fair. Hey,
shit.
mine.
You wanted this one.
Yeah, but mine's
And I
not
didn't
fun.
understand why. Girlfriend, what are you
doing? Boo. Boo. Da da da. What are you laughing at? That's a lot different than yours. I'd actually build mine. At least it's standing up on its own 2 feet.
I mean, you're right. Stick
I don't
on.
really know what else to do.
There's so much candy you're supposed to put on.
Okay, the end.
You're done.
There's nothing else to do. It's just gonna crash.
Oh
Did I
my.
film it?
Yeah.
It is. There's a candy cane right there. Did really good. There's a chimney. Hers looks professional because it already
It
came
doesn't
like that.
look professional. I really am doing such a bad job. One more? Dang, girl, you like it. So scary. It's for Brinley, but this is so ugly. Well, that was a fail, huh, boo-boo? That was a fail, but it was fun, I guess. It was just so messy. Thanks for doing it with me, honey.
Yeah, that's fun, honey.
Was it really?
Let me turn this off.
Was it really fun?
I didn't really like mine.
Babe, mine's so bad.
This is way better than mine.
No, mine's bad.
I just gave up and I was mad, so I wanted to leave and come on the couch because I was so mad about mine.
Well, thanks for doing it, honey.
Thank you.
Happy holidays to everyone.
Happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy Hanukkah. I love you all.